Welcome back to News Watch 12 this morning, and turning now to Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Josh Colbert looking at our current temperatures. Not too bad this morning. Medford, all things considered, is pretty warm. Are there any concerns for precipitation today, maybe wind? How do people prepare for their holiday that a lot of people like to spend outside?
Yeah, we're going to see rain today. In fact, we're already seeing rain this morning down into Siskiyou County. We'll take a look at radar in a second, but Siskiyou County is noticeably cooler compared to some of its counterparts up towards the north. 62 for Medford, but 52 degrees for Mount Shasta City. It's because of some of the rain. 40s and 50s over on the east side this morning, and right at 50 degrees there along the coast into Brookings. All right, almost all the rain for the time being is in Siskiyou County. Some of it is starting to get into the southernmost stretches of Klamath and Lake counties, but the bulk of it, at least the bulk of the heaviest rain, is here in Siskiyou County. Hopefully the progression of this can be very slowly, because we need to squeeze every last little bit out of this little complex. And you'll see what it does a little bit later today with Stormcast. It slowly drifts off towards the north, so by the time you get to lunchtime, looks like this corridor from Agnes to Grants Pass up to Chemult and Christmas Valley, that's where most of the rain will be. But we'll get another resurgence in the afternoon and evening. Once we get to the peak of daytime heating, we could see some showers and thunderstorms. And then once we get into the evening, late evening to the overnight hours, most of this is going to be off towards the west of the Cascades. So I think any firework displays to the east of the Cascades won't see any showers at all. Might be a bit of a different story to the west of the Cascades, and that's going to be the primary area in which we'll see some more showers starting to fire up on Tuesday morning, going into the afternoon and evening, but it does look like that Wednesday will be a much drier day. All right, today's a pretty typical pool day, at least in terms of holidays in which people are out by the pool, and it's not really going to necessarily be pool weather out there today, though. We'll have showers and thunderstorms coming and going all throughout the day. We'll have temperatures that are going to be below average by about 10 to 15 degrees. So the skies will be mostly cloudy to partly cloudy all throughout the day. It's definitely not going to be a washout, but again, we'll have showers and some thunderstorms coming and going, and then overnight, mainly to the west of the Cascades is where we'll see the bulk of the precipitation. I think to the east of the Cascades, we will likely be dry. And again, for this evening, with some of the showers, Boomfest could be impacted just a little bit. Hit or miss showers, definitely not a washout. Pretty cool out there by the time this kicks off at 7 p.m. Temperatures will be right around 75 degrees. Cool for this time of the year, I should say. Here's your camping forecast over the next 3 days. We'll hold into some of the showers and thunderstorms into Tuesday and into Wednesday. It does look like we'll begin to really dry out as we head into Thursday. And then not only do we dry out towards the end of the week, but also temperatures will slowly but surely get back to average values by this weekend. Here's your 7-day forecast. Along the coast, more shower opportunities through Thursday than we really do begin to dry out as we get into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday for Siskiyou County. We will also see that very slow warm up back to around 90 degrees for the weekend. Plenty of sunshine then, not so much for today. For the basin, hopefully we can get some more rain out of all of this. We know we got some pretty beneficial rain on Saturday, so hopefully that trend can keep up to date, minus all of the unbelievable lightning that we saw on Saturday. And then for the mountains, we'll also be tracking this rather unsettled pattern through Thursday to Friday, and then that's when everything becomes a lot more settled, a lot more like or mirroring what we would expect for this time of the year. And then for the Rogue Valley, also noticing that same trend, starting the week off wet-ish, I should say, and then towards the end of the week, we warm up and dry out.